Gravity. The acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared, meter per square second. This means that an object in freefall near the Earth's surface will accelerate at a rate of 9.8 meters per square second. The force of gravity between two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. This relationship is described by Newton's law of universal gravitation. The concept of gravity was famously described by Sir Isaac Newton in his publication, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, in 1687. Newton's laws of motion and his law of universal gravitation laid the foundation for classical mechanics and revolutionized our understanding of the physical world. The acceleration due to gravity is not constant everywhere on Earth. It actually varies slightly depending on factors such as latitude, altitude, and local geology. For example, at the Earth's poles, where the centrifugal force due to rotation is minimal, the acceleration due to gravity is slightly higher than at the equator. Gravity is not only responsible for keeping objects on the ground but also plays a crucial role in the motion of celestial bodies. The gravitational force between the Earth and the Moon, for instance, causes the Moon to orbit around the Earth, creating tidal effects on our planet. Gravity is not limited to large objects like planets and stars. Every object with mass exerts a gravitational force on other objects. However, for smaller objects, such as everyday objects on Earth, the force is so tiny that it is negligible in most situations. It becomes more noticeable when dealing with massive objects or at astronomical scales. The force of gravity weakens as you move farther away from an object. In fact, the gravitational force decreases with the square of the distance. This means that if you double the distance between two objects, the gravitational force between them becomes 4 times weaker. Gravity is a fundamental force of nature, along with electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force. These 4 forces govern the interactions between matter and energy in the universe. However, gravity is distinct from the other 3 forces as it is the only force that has not been successfully unified with the theories of quantum mechanics. The discovery of gravitational waves in 2015 provided direct evidence for the existence of gravitational waves, which are ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by massive objects moving or colliding. This discovery further confirmed Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, which explains gravity as the curvature of spacetime.